In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix TikTok profile view not showing. So if you are unable to see those that are viewing your TikTok profile, then you need to watch this video. So looking right here is the home page on my TikTok app. The first step you need to take in order to fix this issue is to go to your profile like this. So at the top right corner, you can see the foot icon. So you need to go ahead and click on the foot icon that is close to the share button. When you click on that, this is where you are going to see the people that viewed your profile. So if you are unable to see them right here, sometimes it might be because you turned off your profile view history. So if your profile view is actually turned off, you won't be able to see those that viewed your profile view. You can only see the people that viewed your profile view in the last 30 days. So if nobody viewed your profile in the last 30 days, then you won't be able to see them on the list here. So that is how simple it is to fix TikTok profile view not showing, by turning it on like this in order for you to be able to view it. Alright guys, we've come to the very end of this video. Now like this video, subscribe and hit notification bell. See you in the next one.